Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Retool to build internal tools without coding, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Retool website and create an account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Retool dashboard. Click on the Create New App button to start a new project. You can choose from various templates or start from scratch. For beginners, selecting a template can provide a useful starting point. Next, choose the data source you want to connect with Retool. Options include databases, APIs, or even Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your data source. Once connected, explore the left sidebar to see available components. Drag and drop components such as tables, forms, or buttons onto the canvas. Customize each component by clicking on it and adjusting properties on the right. You can bind the components to your data by selecting the appropriate data source. Utilize the query builder to fetch or manipulate data based on user input. Add a button to your app and set up an action to trigger a query or update. Preview your app by clicking the preview button at the top right. Test the functionality to ensure everything works as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to improve usability and design. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to share your app with colleagues. You can adjust permissions to control who has access to the app. Finally, consider exploring advanced features like custom scripts for enhanced functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.